Welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. Today I have my nephew. Introduce yourself.
My name is Jacob.
How old are you, Jacob?
I am 6 years old.
He's 6 years old. And what do you want to make today on Ivy's Kitchen?
Filipino spaghetti.
Filipino spaghetti. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
All right. Then we're going to go ahead and make Filipino spaghetti. If you're wondering what Filipino spaghetti is, it is a twist on the Italian spaghetti, but it has a more sweeter taste because the Filipinos like eating their food sweet. So, if you're interested in seeing how we do this, keep on watching.
For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Fill your pot with water. Heat your water and bring it to a boil. Don't forget to season your water with salt. We are going to cook our noodles according to package instructions. Once done cooking, drain your noodles, and we are going to use the same pot to make the sauce. You want to start off by browning your hot dogs. Once brown, set your hot dogs aside on a plate with paper towels so the paper towels can absorb the excess oil. The same pot, add some oil and saute your onions until softened. I like to add salt to my onions so it will soften quicker. Once softened, add your red chili flakes and add the garlic. Saute the garlic until fragrant.
I'm adding the ground beef.
You're adding the whole entire thing?
Yes.
That's gigantic. Yeah, because I want to
Just season it with salt, garlic powder. Go ahead and add the pepper. Keep forgetting to look at the camera. Like that. That's simple. So we're going to go ahead and continue cooking this until it turns nice and brown, and then we're going to add the other ingredients. Okay, next we are going to add some of the mushrooms. You want to add some of the mushrooms, Jacob?
Yeah.
Actually, before we do that, I see some fat oil coming out. You want to go ahead and strain that because that's just fattening that we don't need. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add the mushrooms. Do you want to add some mushrooms, Jacob? Mm-hmm. Go ahead, add some. How about you want to just pour it in like this?
Yes,
Okay, watch your arms. There you go. We're going to add the sausage in next.
sausage.
Because now it's time to make the sauce. And of course, we are going to season this again. I'm trying to see if you can see my nephew. I keep blocking him. Sorry about that, Jacob.
It's okay.
Season this again with some salt and pepper. More garlic powder, because I love garlic. And pepper. Okay, now we're going to add the sauce. Okay.
Be careful with it, because you cracked it open earlier.
I did. And we're just using store-bought tomato sauce. This is Filipino spaghetti, so it's simple food. You can make your own sauce from scratch if you'd like. And my nephew and I love a saucy spaghetti, so I'm adding 2 jars. For this recipe, please check out www.ivyskitchen.net. And we're gonna stir it. We're gonna add the next Filipino ingredient to make this spaghetti, Filipino spaghetti. And what is that ingredient, Jakey?
Banana ketchup.
Banana ketchup. You can find this at any Asian store, grocery store, or you can order it on Amazon.
It sounds funny.
It does.
It sounds like a pool sucking up water.
Does it?
Yeah.
And we're just gonna go ahead and mix it. And this is what makes the Filipino spaghetti sweet. And if you can't find banana ketchup, you can use sugar. How long are we gonna cook this for, Jacob?
30 minutes.
And that's it.
Bring sauce to a boil and simmer it for about 30 minutes. Once 30 minutes has passed, Add the cheese and mix until the cheese melts. Once melted, add the spaghetti noodles and mix it in with the sauce, and that's how simple it is to make my Filipino spaghetti. Now it's time to taste this. Just get a little bit of everything. You want to go first?
Yeah.
You should go first.
Yeah.
You helped make this dish.
Huh?
It's good. How do you like it?
It's good.
It's good? Yeah? What do I get? A plus?
Wait.
Let me go ahead and try it myself.
10 plus.
That's good. It's not too sweet. It's not too tart. It's perfect. Thank you guys for watching Ivy's Kitchen. I hope to see you guys next time. And if you do remake this recipe, please hashtag Ivy's Kitchen or find me on Instagram, Ivy's Food, and Facebook. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!